Hello everyone and welcome to Cyberware. My name is Victor. Cybersecurity for Beginners course, and I decided to use a new installation of Windows and show you in a series of videos step by step what I would do to set up my tools and to do everything. And one way that we will be able to train on cybersecurity is through bug bounty. So in the next few videos we will install the tools, open accounts, do everything as it should be done, and you will get to follow along. So this is a new installation. I have no idea what's going to happen. It's Windows 11, and yeah, let's start. Okay. So I know that Edge has been doing some great stuff lately, but I'm sorry, I need to use my browser. I'm all Firefox, so that's life. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna install Firefox, and then we're gonna install probably we're gonna run Linux in a Windows environment, but let's get on with this. This is a brand new computer even for me, so I need to get my hands around it. I think I didn't allocate enough RAM. It seems a bit yeah. All right. Maybe it's upset that I I stole Firefox as the first thing that I did, but anyway. It does not work like Windows 10, I can tell you that. Okay, so at least I have the prompt. Okay. Ah. Yes, of course. So I got notification, but it didn't pop for some reason, or I didn't see it. People are using other browsers, and sometimes I do use Brave or Tor, even Chrome. Not on my computer, but on virtual machines. But I find Firefox to be the browser that I get along with the best. So to each its own. So yeah. All right. Whoa. What is this? Oh, I forgot how we must click on everything when it's a new. Yeah, okay. I got here because I have the link to the GitHub. Or do I? No, I don't. Yeah, so Firefox is still installing. Let me get you to the. Yeah, so this is one of the usernames I have in GitHub, and it's built specifically for this activity, this YouTube thing. So, as I was saying in a video yesterday, we're gonna do like a video for each of the environments. Okay, maybe environment would have been a better term for all the environments that I'm using. And in the left is like, imagine like this is like a series of options to get from the physical area, like where I am, where my fingers are, and to the right is not depicted here, but imagine it's like the target. So we have different avenues to get there. While we could do everything, we could go directly from device to target. That's not something that I do, and I don't advise any of you, because you risk getting blocked or getting in trouble for all kinds of things. So don't do that, okay? Wait. Is this Firefox? All right. Okay. So we have our browser. It's trying to get data from the other browsers, but okay. And now that we have a space to work on, basically this video up to this point covers the browser part, and let's cover as much as possible from the others. Like, not sure why GitHub takes so long to. All right. So I was trying to show you the table again, but it doesn't matter that much. Let's go on and work on another workspace. Okay, so I installed Firefox 3 times. Right. So here, so we are here. We have Windows. I'm not going to show you how to install that. And we did the browser. It's a basic thing, and we're gonna do now the Windows subsystem for Linux. So can you see this? No, wait. What did I do? Sorry. Edit. No, properties. Where is it? 28. Let's try this. Okay. All right. So now it's bigger. Oh. Okay. And I agreed. What now? Okay, so it's installing Windows subsystem for Linux. Okay. Well, and it installs Ubuntu like I wanted. You could change the distribution name, but I'm not going to look into that because I don't care. And you can also run multiple distributions. This is very useful if you want to run like basic Windows stuff. Well, you can use it, sorry, basic Linux stuff. You could use it to run any Linux things, but I don't recommend actively scanning networks or sites with it. Directly through it, you can connect to VPS and do it then, but you can use it very well for processing data. Like your tools give you a lot of data and you can use it to process the data directly from your operating systems through a middle. Microphone test 1 2 3. Okay. Still installing. Yeah, it takes a while. It's never easy with these raw footage videos. I'm not editing anything because it's not from a lack of respect for the viewers, but I think it takes so long compared to the benefits. Maybe I'll change my mind after we put all this together. We can make a. I will choose some scenes from everything and make like a shorter course or something. I don't know. Okay. So we're gonna do that, and then we can also do. So we did browser, we did Windows subsystem. We can also do Putty. Here it is. And then where client and VirtualBox. Well, you of course you need an antivirus and everything on your Windows machine, but we're not going to cover that today. And you need to work in a virtual machine anyway, so yeah. All right. Sorry, VMWare. It's not the client. Crazy. It's player, a workstation player. Okay. And this is our Oracle VirtualBox, and this is the player. Still installing Linux. So why am I installing both? Well, because some labs that we are using for to learn cybersecurity use one of them, and other labs use the other one. So I have both. Okay. Just makes things easier. Right. Let's get them downloaded. Okay. For Windows hosts, this one is downloading. I'm downloading this one. All right, I'm getting this one. Oh, by the way, to set up the video, I'm already running VirtualBox. So what you're seeing is Windows installed inside a VirtualBox. And now I'm going to install a VirtualBox inside it. But it shouldn't make any difference for... Yeah. All right. Ubuntu is still... All right, let's go installing the others. And we'll have a separate video and do something to use all of them. So, but this is like the baseline for everything that we will need. And there's a bonus. at the end. I'm also gonna install the Onion router. And in the next video, we're gonna log into yeah, we're gonna create the accounts on the bug bounty platforms and go from there. All right. Am I downloading this or not? For Windows download. All right, so I guess Putty is over. Ubuntu is installed. All right. Let's move on. I'll install VirtualBox, VMware, and then Tor. And then we're gonna open each of them and play for a few minutes. That's a wrap for this video. I think it's a solid baseline in terms of software you have on your main machine. I know people that install Burp directly on their machine. It's very useful when you do CTFs, when you do other things, but the problem is you are tempted to use it in engagements. So yeah, we can, I will show you how to use it inside your main operating system, but also never access your targets from your IP address. So we'll go through that. Anyway, it's not free, but I mean the course is free. The videos are free. What's not free is this proxy thing that we're gonna use. Anyway, where is VirtualBox? Ah, here it is. Yes. And we have our first problem. Apparently, VirtualBox needs something installed. C++, basically library, or it's like the dependencies on Linux. Don't worry about it. Let's see, maybe VMware works. Oh, it's half a gigabyte to install for VMware player. Okay, okay, that's cool. Great job, guys. Hey, thought I closed you. All right, let's try VirtualBox again. All right, let's see how this goes with VirtualBox inside the Windows machine, which is running on VirtualBox. That okay. And then we'll see what's wrong with this VMware that it doesn't start. It's already a pretty long video, 28 minutes, but it's as realistic as it gets. Like, I'm not editing anything. It does take a while to install these things. You can directly jump into hacking using only Firefox, but in some areas you won't get far. Okay, you can do web, you can find some idlers, some XSS, but that's about it. Unless you go and do and use a virtual machine in the browser, when basically you're like running a new OS. Here I am installing two things at the same time and hope the machine can handle it. Technology has reached an amazing point. Like, we are able to do this, and I'm also running the software to record the video, and yeah, a bunch of other stuff on my computer. We have gone a long way. And there's VirtualBox system. I don't like how VMware took over the screen, and it's like click outside it, but okay. You get to do that for 500 megabytes of installation archive or whatever it is. Where are we? I'm not sure what's killing it. Is it the... here is VirtualBox. Take a look at this screen. Have a good look because we're going to use this a lot. Close. And it's stuck in this VMware thing. Is it? The first one who realized there are several instances. Well, at least you can do that with half a gigabyte of software. All right. What's this? Next. Yeah, you guys don't do this. Don't do it like me. Read all this thing. Okay? I never cared about these, but apparently we're supposed to. Whatever this is. Add VMware into system path. Okay. No. No. We're gonna get so many improvements if you report back what's on this computer after we're done with it. Let's hope no malware. What are you talking about? Why am I doing this again? For some reason. Okay. Anyway, so we did the browser. We did VirtualBox. And the SSH client, Putty. For some reason, Firefox appeared twice. So this is the SSH, basically connect to servers, to the IP address in a secure connection, or not necessarily, you can use a non-secure connection, but that's not the case. And you can save sessions, you can create a SOX proxy through it, you can do a lot of nasty stuff. So yeah, that's it. We have VirtualBox. This is it, brand new. You can create a machine, name it whatever, and then add an ISO. And you can run anything here from any operating system you can think of. Yeah. And it's the same for VMware. I'm gonna allocate more RAM to this machine for the next video because yeah, you can see how it is. All right, so this is VMware Workstation 17 player. Oops, what happened? Ah, it's still installing. Okay. I'm not clear on the license. Does commercial activity mean that I'm making videos and then at some point there might be ads on the videos? I need to look it up. I'm not doing anything with it. I just opened it and I'm gonna close it now. And if it's a licensing problem, I'm not gonna buy the I do have access to the pro version, but it's not my license. So all right, so okay. The problem was that I had to reboot this. I'll be right back. That's why it didn't work. I I restarted Windows to get the subsystem for Linux working, and they are customizing it for me now. This is incredible. Okay, so still updating. All right, so the computer finally booted again. Let's see how we managed to do this. We still need to open the Windows subsystem for Linux. And then that's it. It's a wrap for the video for today. And we're going to continue with separate videos working on each different workspace, customizing. But maybe we will actually begin with maybe we will begin with registering to some bug bounty platforms and finding some scope so that we don't just start these workspaces. We can also do something useful. Man, I forgot how it is to have a Windows which is not customized at all. It puts everything in your start stop. It kills you with the what's chat with Bing. Why am I chatting with Bing? Cut it out, guys. Cut it out. Okay. I don't want to chat with Bing. At least not right now. Anyway. So we have the command prompt. Right click into taskbar. Does it work? Yeah. Close it. Here you go. I just want to show you that the Windows subsystem for Linux was installed and go on from there. Okay. What is this? What happened? Ubuntu already installed. For some reason it just started. Okay, this is weird. Yeah, I have it here. Okay. Okay. This is crazy. Okay, so I need to enable virtualization in the BIOS. Okay. I'm not going to do that now, but because I need to restart the machine, we're gonna leave this for a future video. So thank you all for watching, and we'll continue our cybersecurity course for beginners. Like there's nobody who's a bigger beginner than me. All right. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.